We're back for your Unit 1A Objective 3 notes on midpoint formula. Our goal is to find the midpoint of a segment. And remember that finding the midpoint of a segment is just finding the middle point, because the midpoint is literally the middle point. It cuts the segment in half. And because we're cutting things in half, we're going to find it by averaging the x values and averaging the y values. Remember that to find the average of two numbers, you add them and then divide by 2. So to find the average of the x values, we'll add x1 plus x2 and divide by 2. And then we'll add y1 and y2 and divide by 2. All right, so a couple of quick examples. For the first one, we'll average the x values. So we'll do -2 plus 4 over 2 and 4 plus -8 over 2. That's the average of the y values. And then we'll do the arithmetic. -2 plus 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 plus -8 is -4. -4 divided by 2 is -2. All right, we can repeat the process again. Let's do it one more time with example 3. So again, average the x values. -7 plus 3 over 2. Average the y values, 4 plus 4 over 2. And then we'll do some arithmetic. -7 plus 3 is -4. -4 divided by 2 is -2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. We can also do this on a graph, and there's really two ways. The first is to write out the points. And the second is to count the rise and the run, and then count half the rise and half the run. So in this example, we'll make it green to count the rise and the run. So we are going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll write that down. And then we'll run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then if we cut that in half, we would rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and run 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end up on the intercept 0, 5. Okay, and for our last example, we'll follow the same process. We'll start with the point on the left. We'll count down. So our run is our rise is -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, just double checking my counting. So that's 11, and then we'll count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and in this example, when we cut 11 in half, we'll go down 5 1/2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/2, and then over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then remember that we do x comma y. So to get to this point from the origin, we go left 2, so -2, and then down 1/2. All right, as always, let me know if you have any questions.